welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it, honey. We need to talk about the Grammys, okay? But this is not about the fashion. No. I mean, we'll see some pictures, so we'll talk a little bit about the fashion. But I am not like the expert, exporciones. I am not the expert on fashion, but we're going to be talking about fragrances. And what fragrances do I think a celebrity or the celebrities that went to the Grammys would have been rocking and rolling with, right? This probably is not what they were wearing, but this is what I would have paired them with if, they were walking the red carpet and giving a little 1-2 side shuffle, okay? Let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. I have a lot of celebrities to get through, so we won't talk much about the nose, but I'm just going to give my thoughts, okay? So let's talk about Queen Bee herself. Let's start with Beyonce. So Beyonce's gold dress, I think, just fits the mood of Prodigy. You have your rose, you have the woody, right? The blonde woods. I just feel like it would be a match made in heaven. Because you're giving beauty, but you're also giving depth. Okay, and so I feel like Beyonce gives us beauty and depth all day. So this would be a beautiful pick for her beautiful gown. Are there any Swifties out there? Yeah, let's talk about Taylor Swift. Now, I think that her dress was giving very sexy. She was given red dress, long legs, right? Just stunning on them. It was simple, but sexy. Okay, I just felt like it was, it had a little lean, I don't know, draping. That's what I will call it. She had a little draping, a little rouge maybe. But I think she would have rocked, okay? Very good girl, Carolina Herrera. And I can absolutely see her wearing this red currant, this lychee, okay, rose fragrance. Okay, we have some vanilla in this. I know. Ooh, baby, I would have dolled her up in this fragrance. Okay, Taylor Swift, you would have been definitely a very good girl with Carolina Herrera. Moving on. Next up, let's talk about Lady Gaga. What did you all think about her dress? It was very black. Very gothic, black. A lot of black. So it wasn't my favorite pick as far as fashion-wise. Okay, I just know what I like and don't like. Well, we'll just keep it that simple. But I would think Lady Gaga was wearing Tom Ford's Black Orchid, okay? This is very dark, okay? It's not for everyone, okay? So it's definitely not for everyone. So, and what she was wearing gave me, she didn't care. It was for her. She felt good in it. But her dress was probably not for everyone. Okay, some people probably loved it and adored it, and some people probably was like, not my style, not my pick. So I feel like this is what Tom Ford is. Tom Ford's Black Orchid is very much, for some, this is beautiful, great, dark, and leathery, and all the things. And for others, they're like, why do you even have that in your hand, sis? Like, the fact that you have that in your collection is a problem. So this is very polarizing, and I feel like her outfit was given the same polarizing vibe, if you know what I'm saying. Moving on. Next up, my homegirl from around the corner. I love her, and I love her life. Cynthia Erivo, I absolutely love her. I love her voice. I love everything about her. I love The Wicked. I I just love her. I adore her. Anyway, I feel I would have dressed her up in Mystic Sugar from Corterno. Okay, absolutely. This warm, spicy, but everything nice. We have pineapple in this. You know, I know she probably likes a good fruit. I don't know if pineapple is her thing, but yeah, I can definitely see her wearing this kind of candy sugar light, but it still gives you this mystery. Okay, and so that is what I get from Cynthia Erivo. Even though she's very open about her life, I still think there's like a little secret that we might not know, which is fine, right? Don't know all her business. But there's like a little secret that she's not telling the world. Okay, she might already be married. You think she already married? I think she already married. Anyway, don't have me start rumors. So Mystic Sugar would definitely be a pairing that I would have given Cynthia for the Grammys. Okay, moving on. Next up, honey, Cardi B was giving me feathers and beautiful. Like, she was so pretty. I love the feathers. I don't know if you all like the feathers, but the feather was doing something for me. But I would have paired Cardi B with her beautiful gown. I would have paired her with Strychnina from Vicanto. Yes, I would have. I feel like this fragrance, even though this scent profile is not unique in a way, maybe to you, right? Because there might be other fragrances that have the same scent profile, but she speaks so loud. But I feel like that was Cardi B's look. It spoke very loud, but it had feathers, like loud feathers. Like, yeah, I loved it. And so I would definitely pair Cardi B with Strychnina. Okay. What do you all think? Like, tell me, what would you pair some of these celebrities with? I would love to know your thoughts. Comment down below. Okay. Let's keep going. Next up, Alicia Keys. She's so elegant and just, she's just like walking on a cloud. I love Alicia Keys, but I would think she would have wore Mind Games Jadoo. Okay, she was giving me black goddess type of thing, right? She was giving me like queen of the Nile or something. She was definitely giving me Nefertiti vibes, you know, with her clothes. But oh yes, I think she would definitely. Oh, it's so good. I miss this so much. Okay, sorry, I'm back. So I would think she would wear Mind Games Jadoob. It is such a beautiful fragrance. Again, if you don't have some Mind Games in your collection, let's change that this year. Let's put it on the wish list. Let's aim for it because they have so many beautiful fragrance, and Jadoob is one of them, and it can be for a man and female. But this queen, okay, Alicia Keys, she would have definitely been rocking Jadoob. What you think? Moving on. Next up, Doechii. Oh my goodness, did you all see her performance? I have watched it like maybe 10 or 20 times. It's okay. I loved her performance and the dancers, and she was so good. Now, I would think Doechii would be giving me a little Tom Ford F and Fabulous. I think she would be giving me that on the red carpet. You know, just a little. I mean, she's giving me like sass, little. I wouldn't say thug or wug, but little muscle. Okay, she was giving me a little muscle. Yeah, I wouldn't want to meet her like if she was in my school, right, and something happened, and she would be like, "Meet me outside." I would be like, "Girl, I'm busy. Girl, I'm not coming." It'd be one of them, girl. Girl, I gotta meet my mama. I'm not trying to fight you. It'd be one of them things. But Doechii gives you definitely rugged and just like muscle. And so this leather beautiful fragrance, I think I would absolutely pair this with her. This gives me her vibe, right? But not only rugged, it definitely has a feminine essence, but it's under, you know, all of that muscle. But again, I loved her performance. I hope you all were able to catch it. It's a good one for sure. Next, another outstanding performance, Ray. Like, first of all, I have to get up on the getting up because I've never heard of Ray, but when she did that performance, she actually has the same spelling as my daughter's first name. So I love that even more. Anyway, that performance, when she hit those notes, stop playing. Stop playing. She definitely would have had to wear Tiziana Terenzi Kirke. Okay, so I was in a live, and hopefully you all got to catch the live, but we were going back and forth about is it Kirk or Kirke? So we ended up on Kirke, but you all in the fragrance community, y'all pronounce this 100 different ways. If y'all didn't know, y'all should research it because everybody pronounced a little bit different. Okay? I just want us to come on one accord and pronounce and make a decision. We need to make a decision. So for now, I'm going to say Kirke until somebody else then corrects me and I'm saying something else. But anyway, I feel like Ray and her performance was just long lasting, leaves the scent trail, gives you compliments. I'm sure she got a whole lot of compliments and more. And this is what this fragrance does too. Leaves a scent trail, gives you compliments. Like everything that she embodied in that performance. Definitely Kirke Tiziana Terenzi. That's what she would have been wearing at the Grammys. Moving on. Next up, Gorilla. She was giving me that she would have been wearing, and maybe you all would say something different, because this was a tough one, okay? But I was giving her Fenty. Now I know this might not last as much, and she might have to re-up on it. You know, she might have had to have a travel size. It's okay, but it was giving me this vibe like. Her outfit was simple, but it worked for her. I wouldn't say it was my favorite look, but it was safe. That's a good word. It was safe. So I feel like this fragrance, it might not be safe, but I feel like with the gold dress and kind of the vibe that Gorilla gives, this would have been safe for her. A safe pick, okay? Totally my opinion. You might be looking at this and you don't like it anyway, but it's okay. This is my pick, but tell me below, what do you think that Gorilla would have been wearing? But yeah, she was giving me Fenty vibes. Yeah, or the perfume. Moving on. Next up, I would say one of my favorite looks was Lotto. Like, I felt like she looked so beautiful in her white and the fur in her hair. I loved Lotto's look. So I adore like her skin, her makeup, everything just was like A1, 10s across the board. I loved her look and it was all white. I would have felt like I can't stand. If you hear dogs, I apologize. But back to Lotto. Lotto, oh my goodness, her all white was amazing, beautiful. And I would definitely have to throw in House of Beau Casablanca. I have talked about this down. Gives me Lisa Ray, all white vibes. Oh my goodness. This right here, this fragrance gives me Lotto's look. Just luxury and beautiful and fresh and clean and okay. If you didn't like Lotto's look, sorry. But I adored her look. It was so white and pretty and fur and glamorous in her hair. It just worked. Pins across the board, one of my favorite looks for the Grammys, for sure. And last but certainly not least, one of my favorite singers, Tori Kelly. I love her. I love the way she got that soul. She be singing. Okay, it's one of them sang girls, sang. She is a beautiful singer. Okay, I can go on all day about Tori Kelly. I love her. Okay, um, but I think she would have wore Navitus, okay? And this is Venom of Love, okay? Her red, beautiful dress gave me love vibes, February. It gave me chocolate cherry. It just, yeah, I think she would have been able to do some things that she need to do, okay? If she need to sing on some things. But she definitely gave me a Venom of Love for the look that she was rocking for the Grammys. Moving on. Well, that's all. That's all, fam, for my Grammy fragrance picks. Okay. So, what were your Grammy fragrance picks? Okay. What were some celebrities you saw and you were like, you know what? They would be rocking this fragrance. I would love to know below. Go ahead and comment. I want to know. Make sure you subscribe, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.